What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm Charles with KnottHeads Custom Sawing, and today we're going to do kind of a quick little down and dirty, let's say like a vlog video. I want to show you guys this awesome curly maple. This stuff is sweet. This stuff came from a buddy of mine. My buddy's name is Martinez. He owns Martinez Tools. He makes some killer titanium hammers for the construction industry, titanium squares, titanium nail pullers. Totally awesome stuff. He came by my place, brought me some wood that looked like this. Rough sawn, out of square, goofy as can be, but when we ran this stuff across the joiner, through the planer and the table saw, it made some totally awesome curly maple boards. So now, I just want to show you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So these boards may not look like much from afar, but man, when you get up on them, they are just full of nothing but curl. Pretty dang sweet. I'm gonna wet these down. Maybe you can see a little bit better. Look at all that curl. Oh man. Totally beautiful. Mark's gonna make a table with these. I'll have to post a video when it's all done. But man, oh man, them are sweet. This is how those boards started out. I believe Mark told me they were from Michigan. He brought me 10 or 12 boards. They are rough sawn, curly maple. We're cleaning them up for him so he can build this table. We're going to run each face through the joiner. Well, we're going to run one face through the joiner. We're going to run one edge through the joiner. Then we're going to flatline it on the other side with the table saw, run it through the planer to get them all the same thickness. And he's going to be gluing them up into a couple of nice tabletops. So check it out. Look at that. Look at all that curl. Holy shnikes. Mark has some beautiful wood here. Not too bad considering it used to look like this. Pretty excited to see what Mark's able to come up with. Here we're using the Jessup Tool Company clear-cut TS stock guides mounted to the fence of the table saw to help keep the material pushed up against the fence so we get nice straight cuts. That'll allow Mark to do some perfect glue-ups. I'll put an Amazon link to these Jessup TS stock guides in the description for this video. Man, oh man, look at all that curl. Pretty sweet. Ooh, doggy. Mark really hit the jackpot with all these maple boards. Every single one of them is just full of curl. I can't believe it. I love these kind of boards. These curly maple boards ought to glue up and make some pretty nice tabletops. I can't wait to see them. Now that's some curly maple, and I'd say that Mark should be pretty satisfied with those. I can't wait to see what he's going to turn out and see how these tables turn out. They're going to be pretty dang awesome. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. I think that I'm going to start making a habit of doing some vlog videos like this on YouTube. Just different things that we do, different things that I can show you guys. This one here was pretty simple. All we did was take Mark's wood, my buddy Mark Martinez. We took his wood and ran each face through the joiner, jointed the edges, ran them through the table saw, ran them through the planer, get them nice and flat and ready for him to be able to do a glue up on a tabletop. I think he should be pretty happy with that because these are some pretty awesome curly boards. Pretty nice maple. I mean, who wouldn't want a table made with that stuff right there? That's pretty dang sweet. So there's one table over there. Here's another table right here. They're not glued up yet, but that's kind of going to be up to Mark. So he's going to have some fun when he gets these boards back. Right now I got to load them up, get them in the truck so I can get them delivered to him. Don't forget, do the do. We'll see you on the next one. Do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell notification so you can get wind of when we make new videos and get them posted. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. I put a link in the video description to the Martinez Tool Company website so you can check out Mark's awesome line of titanium tools. I'm Charles with KnottHeads Custom Sawing. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed this video. Do us a favor, hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so you can see when we get new videos posted. Thanks again. See you on the next one.